Welcome. For practice question CKA4 and just go to the clear coda, search their Neokloud and there you will find a file and there I will give this link in a comment box. So here you will find scenario number 4, that is the priority class. So just click that priority class and you are ready to go. The question is you are working in the Kubernetes cluster with an existing deployment. Name this busy blocker running in a namespace called priority. So there is a namespace where the priority and the cluster is already has at least one user defined priority class. So cluster already has a one user defined priority class. So create a new priority class and whatever the configuration is given, the value of this priority class is also given, that is one less than the highest user defined priority. So there are two things, user defined and the system defined. So we'll figure it out when we are solving. So patch the existing deployment. Now here patch is mentioned. So most people think that we can edit it. Edit can, if you don't understand patch, then you can use edit, but I recommend to use patch. So busybox logger in the priority namespace to use the newly created high priority class. Ensure that deployment rolls out successfully. So pod from the deployment in the namespace may be evicted automatically. So don't worry. And here manual eviction is not required. So you don't need to do these things. You just need to create the priority class. Let's get started. So just get started and you can have this scenario ready for you. So just copy and paste it here. So control F. Now you have to solve your questions. So first we need to check the existing priority class. So k get alias would already be set. So k get priority class. So you will find that here these tools are the system defined and this is the user defined. So here value is 1000. So we need to create a priority high priority with a value of 1000 minus 1, that is 999. So few people try to use that this method, imperative method, but I would suggest you to go with the declarative method. Search high priority and you will have for priority and redemptions. So there control F. You just 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So just 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you are there for the this file. So just copy and paste VI high priority. So here back and here the name is also given. So priority is named high priority. So edit the name. This is the high priority and the value is less than 1. So their value is 1000. So we'll use, and redemption policy is never. So something is asked about the policy. So nothing is asked. So you can delete this line, and global default is also not required. So description is also not required. So you have created a policy priority class and escape WQ. K apply hyphen app high priority ML. So K get, so now this one is added. Great. Now we have to patch this high priority class to our deployment. So K get deployment. So namespace is there high priority. So deployment is namespace priority hyphen and priority. So there is deployment is there. So I highly appreciate if you take the backup of this. So hyphen o YAML. I always use two backups. So first is no touch backup.yaml, and you can write the deployment means whatever the backup you are taking, like backup depl.yaml, like this. I never use this backup. I use this backup when something goes wrong. I will edit or do something with this backup. So let it be whatever you likes you do. It's my suggestion to take the backup. So if the scenario get worst, you can recover and go proceed. Now, check the backup also, because sometimes you won't able to get that things in by mistake. So take the backup also. Now you have to patch. So just add the backup and I will give the easy step to patch backup. Here go to the prod priority and here control F HIGH. So here priority class name is high priority. This thing you need to give under the container section, means under the spec section. So just go here and I will open a new tab, PRT dot. I always do like this because it will save my time. So kubectl and let it be so kubectl and priority patch deployment pzbox logger, because this is the name of that deployment, and then -p, and then here you need to come here and from spec section deployment, you use template, then from spec to the template just copy it and paste it here. Here press curly bracket, after spec you need template, so carefully delete until the template. Then here spec is there, so remember that spec after this brace curly braces spec and then column and then spec, and whatever you keep here just copy it and paste it here, and everything should be in the codes. So just code it, don't allow spaces, and count whatever number of these braces are there. So we have four. So just four braces and just close this string. We have started from here. Now, so BusyBox logger is patched. So need to check the whenever things are changes has to be changes done in the deployment. Rollout triggers. So check the rollout status. So BusyBox logger is successfully rolled out. Okay, get pods. So sorry, hyphen and prior. So you will see this pods is terminating and successfully rolled out. So you can describe deployment. So you will see name is BusyBox logger, and here priority class name is high priority. So our demo is done very successfully. So thanks for your love and support. Show if there so please be patient and do everything in a very small window and practice very small window, so that because you don't have a liberty to have a big size windows. So thank you so much for your love and support. There are many resources in Neokloud. Please, whenever you are following that channel, please use playlist so that you can benefit it from all of my tutorials. Hope so. So thank you so much for your love and support once again, and we'll come back for the fourth question, which already created but will creating once more. So that is a sidecar container. And it is very interesting because in your syllabus, that init container and sidecar container is too much confusing. So we'll get it into the sidecar container. And thank you so much for your learn support. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.